What's going on, YouTube? What's up, Aaron? Woke up this morning. We're supposed to get it was a couple days ago they were calling for 6 to 10 inches of snow tomorrow. I woke up this morning, now they're calling for 10 to 20 inches of snow. So I probably won't be getting out for a while, so I decided to go hunting today. There's still a little bit of snow here. It's about 40 some degrees, but the temperature's supposed to drop and then start snowing. I think about 5 o'clock in the morning is what they're calling for. Been here about 20 minutes. I've seen this little guy here. It's a little broke. First piece of the day. Let's see if I can find something else. This piece right here, it's a piece of green banded slate. Got me kind of excited. It looks broke, but I haven't found anything, a gorget or anything in quite a while. About a year. Let's see what we got. It was definitely something. Broke all to hell. Getting the sun, might be able to see a little bit better. Yeah, I don't know if that's part of like a winged bannerstone or a gorget or pendant or something. I don't know, it was something, but it's all busted up. I'll take it. Put it with the collection. It's been over an hour since I found anything. Hopefully this is something we're taking home. It's got a pretty nice corner notch right there. Not a bad little point. Some kind of like pinkish tan material. Looks, yeah, I'm not sure on the type. Looks like it's got some base damage there. Looks kind of like a Snyder, but I don't know. Here's a little impromptu cleanup. What I found, I didn't record. This is a piece of Coshocton. I'm not sure if this is considered flint or chert, but this comes from Ohio. This black flint or chert, whatever the hell it is. About 300 miles away for this material here. This is Liston Creek chert. I'm 15 miles from the source. So that just goes to show you, the diversity of the material they were using in this area for, even paleo stuff's made out of this stuff that comes 300 miles away. So it's, they traveled and traded quite a bit. And I found a marble on the way back to the truck. Looks pretty old. What do you guys think? Truck's all muddy. I got mud everywhere. It's freaking. I only lasted about 2 hours because it's just so freaking muddy. I got tired of fighting it. Alright, that's all I got, guys. So I'm about ready to get snowed in, so probably won't be nothing for me for a couple weeks at least. So Hope you guys have good luck out there hunting, and see you in the comments. While I got you guys on here, there's a few gifts I wanted to show you guys that I've received. I got these a while back. These are from Jeremy Vicious. It is tobacco seeds. He sent this in the package when he sent me the throwing stars and pudding stones. It's been a few months ago. Those seeds are tiny. So I'm going to try to plant some tobacco this year. Thanks, Jeremy. I have started a collection of arrowheads from all over the United States. So I ordered some of these hat pins to represent the states that I've got so far. This is Arkansas. I got some stuff from Arrowhead Homestead. Here's Colorado. Kevin Klein sent me a beautiful gift package, all kinds of stuff. Agate, points made out of agate and chalcedony. Or not chalcedony, but jasper. Texas. My buddy Big Ben's Outdoor Channel sent me a bunch of awesome stuff. I sent him back a quartzite discoidal I found. Georgia. Bucky Blue Eyes, he sent me a bunch of stuff. We traded, and then I won a point from him. A bunch of crystal points. Thanks, Bucky. Appreciate it. And all this stuff here I just received from the Adventure Closet. I was introduced to this channel through Jeremiah. That's Ragnar Rocks, for those of you who don't know. Most of my subs know who Jeremiah is because kind of rag on each other in the comments, and some of my subs are subbed to him too, and I've got some subs off him, so most of you guys know who Jeremiah is. But this is from the Adventure Closet. They're in Washington State too. They do right now they've been traveling all around the West Coast, rock hounding, going to all different states and collecting, just camping out of their van and just hunting fossils and agates and just all kinds of neat stuff. You guys need to go check their channel out. If you like what you see, give them a sub. Tell them I sent you. Alright, this is what they sent. These are gastropods from the Pecos River in Texas. Little fossils. Pretty neat. We don't have these around here. They look like little, like one side of a ram's sheep's head horn. Pretty neat. These have a lot of stuff on them. We've been soaking them in vinegar. I've been trying to clean them up, but they still need to soak for a while. Here's a death plate of the same gastropods. Some good ones in there. We soaked this in iron out, cleaned it up quite a bit. I mean, they look just like a ram's horn to me. Pretty sweet. They said this is a devil's toenail or an oyster fossil from East Texas. I think it's an oyster fossil. It could be a devil's toenail. I don't know. This is a West Texas agate. We're going to cut this open and polish it one of these days. I ever get my lapidary back going again. These are brachiopods from Tonto National Forest outside of Arizona. So we have brachiopods around here, but not like this. These are a little bit different than the ones we have. Ours have like a groove here in the middle. This is a geode from near Tucson, Arizona, or oddly shaped rock. It's pretty neat. I've never seen it when we find geodes, but not shaped like this. I'm going to clean this up too. I guess it's like quartz or something. I'm not sure what it is, what the material is. The ones around here are made out of quartz. This is a druzy pocket from New Mexico. Focus. Sparkly. Looks like a little crystal ball. Pretty cool. And this is kind of weird. I guess, well, I'm glad they sent it. This is a Cicada Husk. I guess they didn't know we had them around here, but yeah, they're everywhere around here. We have cicadas. But they, they live in the ground for 7 years, and then they crawl out. They live like this for like a grub, and then they turn into this, and they live in the ground for 7 years, sucking on the roots of trees, getting their nutrients from the, sucking the moisture out of the trees and the shit. And then they crawl out of the ground, come out of this shell, and turn into a huge bug. They probably get twice this size once they grow for a while, and their wings come down to about here. I mean, they're huge. But this summer I killed a Cicada Killer. This wasp is huge. I assume it's some type of wasp. But this is about 2 inches long, maybe a little longer. It's hard to when you show stuff in a video, the scale just doesn't really show up. But this is about 2 inches. And there's my thumbnail. And it's twice the size of that. But these guys here, they dig a burrow in the ground, kind of like a mouse. And then they will kill a cicada, and they fly it back to this hole, and they drag it on the ground to the burrow, and they lay their eggs in it. And then their eggs feed on the cicada body while they're growing, and crawl up out of the ground. Alright, that's all I got. Oh, they did send a letter, but as you can see, I can't read it anymore because Jenny is a nurse who works the COVID unit, and she has a habit of spraying everything with Lysol. And that was I did read it before it faded. It was a really beautiful poem they wrote and a letter, and I appreciate it. Charlie or Liz, I'm not sure who wrote it, both of you maybe. Alright, that's all I got. So we're getting they're calling for 20 inches of snow, so I probably won't be uploading for a couple weeks, so hope you guys take care. Bye.